Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project online fitness shop gym equipment store. I have developed this project fitness shop gym equipment store using Python, Django and the MySQL. I got many of the requests from the many of the students, so they need some dual type of UI. For admin there is a different UI, for user there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different type of UI for both the bootstrap theme, and also I am using latest version of Python. That Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So these things technology I am using this project. So this is a front end page of the project and the project title is gym equipment store or a online fitness shop. Okay. So I have developed this project Python, Django and MySQL. I have used also HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project, like this you can see. And also you can see there is a slider running on the home page, you can see, and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see the home page. You can see here, you can see all categories and you can search anything from here. So this is all about the home pages. This is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a products page. You can see all the gym equipments. You can see you can add the number of equipments from the database. This is a totally dynamic page. Same for the category, you can see 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is a registration. Here user can register here, and this is a contact us page. This is also a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. Okay, so now let's start the some products. Now click on the view details. Oh, this is a restrictions. There is a restriction without login you can't access the internal page or you can't buy any product. So username is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. Oh, you can see this is a very great dashboard. This is a user dashboard. You can see total orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, delivered, important links, your orders. You can see. Okay. So let's start by the some products. Click on the products. Okay. If you want to buy this product, this equipment, you can click on this. You can see the details of this equipment. And you can add the number of categories, like a 5 quantity. Click on the add to cart. Okay, you can see your cart has been updated successfully, and you can see the 5 items and amounts gets calculating automatically related to 5 items, and click on the proceed to checkout. Oh, this is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, nothing real in this page. You can enter any card number. You can name of card like Visa. You can add expiry date like a 12, CVV 123, and click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done and your order has been confirmed. If you want to see your all order details, you can click on the my order section. You can see all order details. If you want to see this order details, you can click on I icon. You can see your order details. If you want to update your account, you can click on my account section. You can update your account. You can also, and this is a change password. You can update or you can change password easily. Okay. So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this is a administration options, dashboard option, And logout option is also saying because of the session driven, if you log out, you can see the upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is login and accordingly so that upper menu has been displaying. So this is all about the front end panel where what we have developed this project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel you need to open admin. So this is the admin panel, you need to log in, right? You need to log in, right? So without login you can't access the without login you can't access the internal page. So the user login is admin and the password is test. Now click on sign in. Oh, this is a very attractive dashboard. This is a admin dashboard. You can see anything from this page like a total orders, order delivered, confirmed order, order in transit, all products, quick menu, available categories, registered customer. You can see each and everything from this page. This is a add products page. Admin can easily add the new product from this page. Okay, and this is a product report page. You can see the all product reports. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can export the data as well as CSV as well Excel as well as PDF. Okay, if you want to hide the column visible column like a image, you can click on the image. You can see the image has been image has not visible. If you want to see the image, click on the image, you can see the image has been visible. This is the power of this report page. And admin can easily add new category from this add category page. Okay, this is a add category page and this is a category report page. You can see all the category report. You can easily edit and delete from here. And this is a order management page. You can see all the order from this page. You can also export the data as well as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. Okay, same like a product report. This is a add customer page. You can easily add new customer from this page. And this is a customer report page. You can see all the customer report. And this is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different types of view for the managing this whole project fitness shop gym equipment store. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.